of the squares. Okay, on my screen right now, here would be a cut-cornered square hearts and arrows. This one right here would be a 0.55 G color VVS1. Alright, it has 80 facets, and so the optics is a little bit, although it bears the hearts and arrows patterning, it's a little bit different in terms of its looks from the hearts and arrows round. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna bring in here the cushion hearts and arrows, which has very similar optics to a round, except that it's a cushion shape, or also known as a pillow shape. Okay, the one here would be a 0.56 D color VS2. Alright, oops, camera just started shaking. Okay, and here on the right we have the princess cut, a 0.51 G color VS1. What this video clearly shows you is that when you have both, okay, the extreme diamond on the left, which is the cut-cornered square hearts and arrows, is a G color. The one on the right is a G color as well. You heard of the importance of a cut of a diamond. If you notice that the cut-cornered square hearts and arrows masks up the color much better than the princess cut on the right. I don't know if you can see as well as I do, but they are both G colors. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna look at these in under diffuse light. That's what you're looking at right now, and we're comparing the brightness and contrast between these three diamonds. These two are absolutely winners. Yeah, very beautiful. Okay, just the difference in the shape and personalities between these two diamonds, and clearly, yeah, the princess cut here is lacking. Right? Okay. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next part. Yeah, okay, here we got the sparkle filter on. You can see the nice bold sparkles coming out from the cut-cornered square. Yeah, its reflections are more of bold, chunky ones rather than pinpoint, tiny ones, which is really a preference because this definitely attracts attention if you are quite some distance away. Okay, and here we go, the cushion on the right on the screen right now. Yeah, cushion has quite some scintillation, doesn't it? Yeah. And here we got the princess. Okay. Alright. Okay, haha. This is what we at JP call thermal brilliance. It's just a name for it, but this gives you an idea, a good idea of the brilliance characteristics between these diamonds. Okay. The one here right smack on screen would be the cut-cornered square hearts and arrows. Alright. So you guys know exactly how, without confusing between the whole look of the diamond, you understand the overall brilliance and how its characteristics truly are. Okay, and on the middle of the screen right now we have the cushion hearts and arrows. Alright, you can see all the white reflections, and of course the overall brilliance is just pretty. Yeah. And over here we have the princess cut. Yeah. Just gonna take these two in comparison. Oops. Okay. It's a great way to see what kind of diamonds you prefer how its characteristics are, and how it looks like, more or less. Okay. Once again here, between these two. Now on screen right now, on the right would be the cushion hearts and arrows, and on the left would be the cut corner square hearts and arrows. Alright. Here we got these diamonds under a dim spotlight. It's a great way to see the fire of the diamond. Alright. So the cut corner square is giving out nice bold colored reflections that you can see right here. Very pretty, very fiery. Alright, and next to it on the right here we have the cushion hearts and arrows, which has very similar optics to the round hearts and arrows. Okay. Which you prefer, I can't say. It's just entirely two different diamonds with different personalities, both that bear the hearts and arrows patterning. Alright. Okay, and now I'm gonna bring in the princess cut. There you go. Much more pinpoint fires. Nothing that too fantastic about it, but yeah, there you go.